Hello dear friends, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will prepare a recipe for anti-wrinkles. To prepare today's natural recipe for anti-wrinkles, we will need cucumbers. Cucumber, suitable for all skin types, for example, very suitable for oily skin. Narrows pores, reduces oiliness on the face, calms inflammation, reduces acne and redness. Cucumber is the best natural toner for oily skin. Also suitable for dry skin, deeply moisturizes, softens sweat, softens dry areas. If you have dry skin, it is even better if you mix cucumber with honey, yogurt, or aloe vera. Perfect for combination skin. Reduces oiliness in the T-zone, forehead, nose, chin, gently moisturizes the cheeks. Evens out skin, balance. Also suitable for sensitive skin, soothes inflammation, reduces redness, provides a cooling effect, no harsh effects. One of the safest products for sensitive skin is cucumber. For today's recipe, we will also need eggs. Below, we will provide information about the benefits of eggs against wrinkles on the face. Eggs have many benefits for facial skin. They nourish skin cells. Vitamins A, D, E in eggs nourish the skin, helping it to be healthy and firm. Tightens the face, lifting effect. When egg white dries, it tightens the skin. This creates a temporary lift and makes the face smoother. Especially in the videos, it gives a before and after effect. Helps reduce wrinkles. The protein and amino acids in eggs increase skin elasticity. With regular use, fine wrinkles will soften slightly. Brighten skin tone. The enzymes in egg whites cleanse dirt, oil, and dead skin cells from the skin, making the face brighter, balances oily skin. Egg whites absorb excess oil and reduce shine. Therefore, they are perfect for oily skin. Egg whites reduce wrinkles when they dry, leaving skin looking smooth and even. We will also need honey for this recipe. Benefits of honey for facial skin: deeply moisturizes the skin. Honey is a natural hydrator, drawing moisture into the skin and retaining it for a long time. It is one of the most powerful natural moisturizers for dry skin. Smooths wrinkles. The antioxidants A, C, E in honey renew skin cells and increase elasticity. With regular use, fine wrinkles slowly smooth out. For this recipe, we will also need a banana. We will mash the banana and make it into a puree. Banana softens wrinkles, increases collagen production, tightens and rejuvenates the skin. Add the banana puree and mix well. Benefits of each product: cucumber cools sweat, reduces puffiness and dark circles, brightens the face, provides a mild whitening effect. Honey, powerful antioxidant, reduces inflammation, moisturizes. Egg white, tightens skin, shrinks pores. Bananas soften wrinkles, increase collagen production, tighten and rejuvenate the skin. Apply the mask to a cleansed face. Wait 15-20 minutes. Rinse with warm water and apply a light cream. Dear friends, write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. Apply a light cream on top. How often can I use it? Twice a week.